How to fix Airdrop Stuck on waiting on iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is drag down the control center from the top right corner of your screen, and there you will get to see Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Then all you have to do is turn Wi-Fi and Bluetooth off, wait for 5 seconds, then turn both back on. Simply connect back to your Wi-Fi and turn on the Bluetooth too. Now try the airdrop again. And if that also does not work, on both iPhones, swipe down the control center, press and hold on the connectivity box where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are, then tap airdrop and select everyone for 10 minutes. If it is on contacts only, it often gets stuck on waiting. Also, make sure to keep devices close, not too far. Hold phone close together. AirDrop uses Bluetooth to handshake first. After that, open the Settings app on your mobile device. Inside Settings, scroll and tap on the General. Inside General, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on the Reset and tap on the Reset All Settings. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.